Hello children, welcome to Samagra Shiksha Siddipet. This is Bhaskar Era working as a mathematics teacher at Jilla Parishad High School, Singanaguda, Mulugu Mandal, Siddipet district, Telangana state. Today we are going to look at 9th class mathematics 4th chapter, lines and angles. Subtopic is pairs of angles and lines and transversal. Observe the beside lines. Have any common point? No, these lines are called non-intersecting lines. Now, observe second figure. Have any common point? Yes, these two lines are meeting at one point. If any two lines meets at one point, these lines are called intersecting lines. Now, look at the third figure. Three or more lines meet at one point. These type of lines are called concurrent lines. Now, let us look at the pairs of angles. Now, we are going to know about pairs of angles.
Now let us discuss about some pairs of angles. Observe the following figures and find the sum of angles. Look at the figure. Here it is making 60 degree and here 30 degree. What is the sum of two angles? It is 90 degree. Yes, this type of angles are known as pairs of angles. Look at second figure. It is 50 degree acute angle and 40 degree acute angle. This sum of two angles is also equal to 90 degree. These are called complementary angles. When the sum of 2 degree is equal to 90 degree, these are complementary angles. If a given angle is x degree, complementary angle will be 90 degree minus x degree. Example, what is the complementary angle of 35 degree? As the sum is 90 degree, the complementary angle will be 90 degree minus 35 degree is equal to 55 degree. Here 35 degree is complementary to 55 degree and vice versa, 55 degree is also complementary to 35 degree. The sum of the two angles must be equal to 90 degree. These are said to be complementary angles. I hope you understood. Exercise: complementary angle of 20 degree and complementary angle of 75 degree. Find out. Supplementary angles. Look at the figure. It is 120 degree and here it is making 60 degree. And look at the second figure. Here it is 130 degree and one more angle is 50 degree. So what do you observe? The sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. So what is the sum of two angles shown in above figures? The sum of two angles is 180 degree. Do you know what do we call such type of angles? Yes, they are called supplementary angles. When the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, they are called supplementary angles. If the given angle is x degree, then what is the supplementary angle? The supplementary angle of x degree is 180 degree minus x degree. Example, what is the supplementary angle of 75 degree? Solution. Supplementary angle of 75 degree is 180 degree minus 75 is 105 degree. Here 75 degree is supplemented to 105 degree and vice versa, 105 degree is also supplemented to 75 degree. Now conjugate angles. Observe the pairs of angles 120 degree and 240 degree, 100 degree and 260 degree, 180 degree and 180 degree, 70 degree and 290 degree. The sum of the two angles is 360 degrees. These pairs of angles are called conjugate angles. Linear pair of angles. When the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, they are called linear pair of angles. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. Here look at the figure. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is exactly equal to 180 degrees. You know already straight angle is 180 degrees. This type of angle is called linear pair of angles. Now look at one more figure. Here PQ is a line and one more line SR is intersecting at O and making four angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Angles in intersecting lines. Here how many pairs of angles formed. Angle POR and angle SOQ are opposite angles with the same vertex and no common arm. If you observe, you can understand. One more pairs of angles is also there, angle POS and angle ROQ. So they are called as vertically opposite angles. Hence, we can observe angle 1 is opposite to angle 3 and is angle 2 is also opposite to angle 4. These are vertically opposite angles. Now, lines and a transversal. Here I am taking line M and line N which are in parallel, and one more line intersecting, that is line L, at two distinct points P and Q, making angles angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Observe the figure. At how many points the line L meets the other lines M and N? Line L meets the lines at two distinct points at P and Q. This line is called a transversal. The line which intersects two distinct lines at two distinct points. Line L intersects lines M and N at points P and Q respectively. So line L is a transversal for lines M and N. Observe the number of angles formed when transversal intersects a pair of lines. If a transversal intersects two lines, the 8 angle will be formed. Let us name the angles as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Look at the figure. Same figure I am taking. Observe carefully. Angle 1 and angle 5. One is exterior and one is interior. Same side. And angle 2, angle 6. Same side but one is exterior and one is interior. And observe one more pair. Angle 3 and angle 7. Same. One is interior and exterior. And same one more pair is also coming. Angle 4 and angle 8. What are these angles? This type of angles are called corresponding angles. When a line intersects two distinct points for parallel lines, these are said to be corresponding angles, and angle 1 and angle 5 is exactly equal, angle 2 and angle 6 also equal, angle 3 and angle 7 is equal, angle 4 and angle 8 are also equal. So these are the four pairs which are said to be corresponding angles. Now observe angle 4 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 5 are called alternate interior angles. See, they are both sides and interior. These two pairs are called alternate interior angles, and one more pair of angles are there, alternate exterior angles. Look at angle 1 and angle 7 and angle 2 and angle 8, both are exterior angles. So these pairs are called alternate exterior angles. Now look at another pair, angle 4 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 6 are called consecutive interior angles or same side of the angles. Angle 4 and angle 5, interior angles same side. So this type of angles are called consecutive angles. Consecutive interior angles are same side of the angles. These are the main type of angles when a line intersects at two distinct points. It is called a transversal, and these are the angles very important. Corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles and consecutive. Showing corresponding angles. These are alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, same side of the interior angles, same side of the exterior angles. Evaluation. Write the complementary, supplementary and conjugate angles for the following angles: 45 degree, 75 degree, 54, 30, 90, 60, 30 degree. And write corresponding angles, alternate interior and exterior angles, vertically opposite angles, consecutive angles for this figure and transversal.